YouTube. This your boy, Mr. Extra. Man, I got the day off today. So, freight kind of slow for the day. Waiting on some import boxes to drop or whatever. So, we finna head on down to Plains, Georgia. I got a little hog stop I want to do. Just take some little back roads and enjoy this beautiful day outside, man. So, yeah. So, finna get out here and get this thing going. And, man, we finna see what we can get into and see some sights maybe. See what these little country towns hitting like on the way down south. So, we're going to head to the Smiling Peanut and they get the thing on the road. So, y'all just ride with us. Peace.
Please like, share, and subscribe to my daddy's channel. Period.
Yeah, I'm busting out the door. Something you ain't never seen before. Oh, it's looking so brand new. With the style that cuts right through. I'm coming up with my own beat. Feel the rhythm in my feet. Every eye looking at me. Now we're going a new speed. Run it up, come alive. Hit the ground, feel the vibe. What you want, you take a ride. You know it's good, feel the vibe. Run it up, come alive. Hit the ground, feel the vibe. What you want, you take a ride. You know it's good, feel the vibe. Got the glow, it's all on me. Shining bright for all to see. Gonna take you by surprise. The way it's going on tonight. I'm coming up with my own beat. Feel the rhythm in my feet. Every eye looking at me. Now we're going a new speed. Run it up, come alive. Hit the ground, feel the vibe. What you want, you take a ride. Know it's good, feel the vibe. Run it up, come alive. Hit the ground, feel the vibe. What you want, you take a ride. You know it's good, feel the vibe. Feel the vibe. You take a ride.
Coming by my old high school, Jackson High, out of Jackson, Georgia. Man, I ain't been here since '02. Memories in that place.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
If I want it, then I go get it. Make it rain, get a poncho. I got the juice in the Bronco. Baby say beat it up like a bongo. Left and right shots like a combo. If you want a problem, we can start it up. Yeah, pick a date, let's set it up. Moving like a go-do. You know how I get it done like I'm supposed to. I done counted 10,000 100 times. Started with a nickel, turned it to a dime. Back when the prime had his headline, I've been getting to it from the morning to the bedtime. Shaking when I'm baking, I be cooking them. The captain of the team put a hook in them. Where your boys at, they ain't booking them. I'm all over the map, getting plenty win.
So yeah, did the smiling peanut on one of the hog stop. So you know. So yeah, that was a pretty good ride. It got a little boring. I mean, cause I'm down south and there ain't nothing out here. So, but you know, it's all about the ride. But the scenery kind of boring cause it ain't nothing but like farmland out here. But yeah, man. So we had the smiling peanut. Finna try to hit the interstate, go back home. So make it a little faster. So yeah. Catch y'all down the road. Peace. YouTube. That was a pretty good little ride down to the Smiling Peanut. All back roads, but I'm gonna make a little quick stop by making Harley-Davidson. Get a little check-in for the day, and yeah. So we can turn down Young's Mill Road. It's gonna take us back towards the interstate. So yeah, it just straight farmland out here.
Continue on Young's
Pretty
Mill
cool.
Road for 5 miles.
Oh man, they got a whole plane. That's pretty cool. Look like an old runway out there. Pretty cool. So yeah, the seat doing pretty good. I could tell I ain't been riding in a while, but I have been on this seat since 11 o'clock, and it is now 1:48. But yeah, man. So, but yeah, seat doing pretty good. I'm gonna need my breezy ride on here though, for real. Cause it's about 80 degrees out here, but I still feel the heat on this seat. And I ain't did my little modification, but it's a little warm out here today. But I got a hoodie on cause it ain't a humid 80. It's about like a cool 80. I mean, so yeah, we finna just head on down the road, and been a good little solo trip. Just out here spreading my wings, really trying to build up my riding stamina, cause I ain't rode like this, shoot, probably since we went to Providence Canyon I think it was about 3 weeks ago, when Sam and Susan came down. But I ain't really too much been riding. I've been riding back and forth to work. But, and all in all, it's a pretty good ride. I done put in about, let me see, wrong one, about 137 miles so far. But I guess they always say if you don't use it, you lose it. But yeah, man, it's been pretty fun. It's a nice little relaxing solo trip, no rush and everything. And shoot, man, just live for the ride. But yeah, so I gotta get my ride stamina back up.
we combine. You be on the bench when it's game time. Lock in and we go live. I ain't stopping till it's all mine. Yeah, go get it. If I want it, then I go get it.